Welcome to the new episode of DHTML subject. In this session, I am going to discuss about the practical demonstration for the advanced CSS property, and two property I'm going to discuss today. The one is border radius and another one is border image. So you can see that on my web browser, I have mentioned the two elements, right, with color background and with color. This is the background image and this is background color, and this both element contains the border. It wrap around the element is wrapped around the border. The border type is double, and you can see that there's no corner angle for all four sides, right? So let's see the code for this, why the image is partially added, why the white portion is here. Let's see the code first. So this is border radius properties. So you can see that this is the internal style sheet, and with board 1 class I have mentioned border radius 20, border size is 15 pixels, double is the size, and black color border, the background color with red. Padding size is 15 px and width is 100 px. So as per this, right, let's see what this class is applicable on which element. So this class I have applied on board 1 paragraph 1, displaying the example of border radius property. So the first will be the case, right, with the red background, right, the size of the border 15 pixels and the 15 px all four side. It is just because of the the this content. See, the displaying example won't come in this much size, right, because the width of the element is fixed, so is the reason. Let's make it 200 and see the output. See, right, and let's say if I'll remove this, right, so not enough content, so that you can see it stretch up to the last size of your end size of your web page, right? This is the end size. So if I remove the width, but you can see the top, bottom and left, that is the 15 pixels padding size. So that is for the first class, the board 1 class properties. Let's see the second element properties. The border radius is 25 pixels. Again, the border type is 15 pixel double and black. The background image I have mentioned as with URL penguin.jpg. See the syntax, how I have mentioned the background image. The background repeat, right, and the value is no repeat. So that is what the reason why you'll get the and side, the white portion in this area, right? But the width I have mentioned, that is 1500 pixels, so the rest of the portion comes as no repeat. If I'll change with repeat, I'll remove it. So let's see, it should be repeated. The background position is left. So three property I am discussing here: background image, background repeat and background position, with padding 30 pixels and height 150 pixels. Let's comment this. So with no repeat, right, you can see another image has placed, right, since the width is 1500 and if it is, let's say, 900, so another image won't come, right? See, right, so the size of the image is big, so it won't come, right? So for that you have to enlarge the width of the uh, element. You have to resize the width, right? I have increased the width so that you'll get the result. So that is about the background radius, sorry, the border radius, right? Let's say if it is a 5 pixels or the 2 pixels, let's see the output. See, so it's more sharper, right? Let's say it's 5 pixels or 9 pixels. See, right, see the outside the element, right? So as you increase the size, you'll get the better result as a radius border. So that is about the border radius. Let's see how to add the border as image. So I'll show you first the output. In both of this I have opened the same program. Let me open the border, oops, border image. Let me remove this border image. And these two examples as well. Control S, and let us now open border image. Yes, so this is the example of border image. So let's see the border image property. The here the middle section of the image are repeated to create the border, right? So what is the middle section? So in this is the image. Here is the original image for applying the border as image, right, or image as border. So this is the middle section for top, this is the middle section for bottom, this is the middle section for right hand side, and this is the middle section for the left hand side. So you can see that those particles are repeated, right, in the image, right? So the same image I have display as the border. Let's see the code how to apply this. So bordering the border 10 pixel, and I mean with ID I have mentioned border 10 pixel solid and transparent. So I don't want the border, so that I have make it as transparent, but it the size of the border, because you want to display your image, no, so that is 10 pixels. The padding will be the 15 px, so the space between the border and the content. The border image URL, that is border image.png with 39 point, that is how many times you want to repeat that, and with round property value. So see the ID bordering I have mentioned here, and the content is this. See, it is 39, not 30. And I will show you the original image. in PNG format. So I'll open with the paint because I've prepared this in paint itself. So this is my image, and you can see that I have also changed the page size. If I'll not, so you'll not get the proper result for the border, right? So you have to make your border I mean page as similar to your border object which you have designed in paint. So also resize your paint page, save it and display it. See, so I have make changes with the point, the center point. Let's make changes with the this. Let's say instead of 39, let's say 30, and let's check the output. See, so you can see the border type, right? If it is 30, if I'll reduce with, let's say, 15, see, right? So it increase the actual the particular one shape, the diamond shape size, and you can see it your object is half portion, right? Since your padding is applied, let me comment this and we'll save that and let's run. So see, so if you remove the padding, right, so this is uh, the size, the same size of your text will be occupied as the size of that element area. Fine, if you make it, let's say, 5, so you'll not get the proper result, right? Only the top part or the bottom part of your image, right? So better, right, how you want to repeat your element, right? And the image also, it should be in proper border shape, right? Otherwise only the one object won't repeat as border. See, right? Still it cuts. So 28, let's see, let's see, 33, right? So the proper shape you will get. Let's see, 35. So I think it will work perfectly. That depends on the image, right? That depends on the shape, how you have applied. I think 35 is the proper shape. See, the proper element you'll get, right? So left and the right side is quite clear, right? So this is how you can apply the border image. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet soon in the next session. If you want, I'll just drag the content and wait so that you can get all the codes. The same codes I have also discussed in my theory session. So these are the properties. You can pause the video and you can write it down, and these are the body content. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet soon in the next session.